Okay, I'll show you my fidgets. This is part 2. If you watch part 1, please subscribe. The first one starts off with this thing. It's just like this, and yeah, you do have a moustache, and then you can just squish it, and it's just really fun to play with. And then we have this Amanda thing, which is kind of like a jumbo puppet, but just like Amanda shape, and this one's quite hard to pop. So, and then we also have this puppet, which is easy to pop. And you can also put on your book bag or something on your bag. And then we have this, which is actually really fun to play with. You put it all over. I know, so take pieces off. And just really fun to play with. I would recommend buying that. Bye guys. Please subscribe. Thank you.